to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy peasy salad recipe. My friend Baljeet came over to my place when I had a get together and she got this refreshing pasta fruit salad and I had to share this recipe with you. So now let's begin this process. So for this recipe guys, I'm going to use 1 cup of pasta. You can use any kind of pasta, but here I'm using Desano's Elbow Macaroni Pasta. Guys, I'm going to place the ingredient list in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Moving on guys, I've taken a large pot in which I've added 4 cups of water which is boiling, to which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and our macaroni pasta. Now guys, remember to stir the pasta in intervals so that it doesn't stick to each other. The packet recommends that we boil the pasta for 8 minutes, but I personally prefer this pasta when we boil it for 9 to 10 minutes. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. And once the pasta is cooked, I've simply drained off the excess water and now I'm going to add it to a big mixing bowl. And guys, now it's time to add the good stuff. So let's start with some roughly diced apple pieces, followed by roughly diced mango pieces. Again, you can add whatever you want in this salad. It just tastes absolutely amazing. Here I'm adding some roughly chopped up apricot pieces, followed by some nice green juicy grapes. And for the crunch guys, I'm going to add some pieces of roasted walnuts. And of course, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of Amul fresh cream. If you have homemade cream, you can always add that. And then guys, I'm going to top it up with little less than 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm using eggless mayonnaise. You can use whichever you have in your house. And then let's add about 1/2 tablespoon of powdered sugar, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And now we are going to give it a thorough mix. We want all the ingredients to be nicely coated with the cream and the mayonnaise. Also guys, I did not forget to add salt. We are not going to add salt as when we boiled the pasta, we had already added the salt. And this dish tastes best when it is served chilled. So do keep it in a refrigerator, but I am too impatient for that. So I am just diving right in. Really fantastic. Guys, keep this salad in the fridge for 2 hours and it will taste so refreshing, you won't even believe it. Hot sunny day, make this salad, you are set. You saw how easy it was. Do let me know what you think about it. If you haven't subscribed, do click on this button right now. And if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. And I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye. Take care. I'm literally salivating.